ABC Speaking Academy. Today let's have a speaking practice using daily use English sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I play basketball.
I play basketball.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I love my family.
I love my family.
I have a heart.
I have a heart.
I like cookies.
I like cookies.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I see a tree.
I see a tree.
I have shoes.
I have shoes.
I play with dolls.
I play with dolls.
I eat fruit.
I eat fruit.
I love my teacher.
I love my teacher.
I have a pet fish.
I have a pet fish.
I like candy.
I like candy.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I see a flowers.
I see a flowers.
I have a kite.
I have a kite.
I play in the park.
I play in the park.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I love my grandma.
I love my grandma.
I have a jacket.
I have a jacket.
I like to run.
I like to run.
I am silly.
I am silly.
I see a train.
I see a train.
I have a lunchbox.
I have a lunchbox.
I play with blocks.
I play with blocks.
I eat vegetables.
I eat vegetables.
I love my grandpa.
I love my grandpa.
I have a scarf.
I have a scarf.
I like to read.
I like to read.
I am carrying.
I am carrying.
I see a bike.
I see a bike.
I have a sweater.
I have a sweater.
I play in the sand.
I play in the sand.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I love my cousin.
I love my cousin.
I have mittens.
I have mittens.
I like popcorn.
I like popcorn.
I am helpful.
I am helpful.
I see a boat.
I see a boat.
I have ribbon.
I have ribbon.
I play on the side.
I play on the side.
I eat snacks.
I eat snacks.
love my aunt.
I love my aunt.
I have a glove.
I have a gloves.
I like hot chocolate.
I like hot chocolate.
I am cheerful.
I am cheerful.
I see a boss.
I see a boss.
I have a socks.
I have a socks.
I play hide and seek.
I play hide and seek.
I drink lemonade.
I drink lemonade.
Thanks for watching.